Did you know that Bosch invented the Jigsaw? They also deliver the most innovative blades and even created the best system for mounting them, the T-shank. The Jigsaw is one of the most versatile saws around. Most folks think that they're good for a nice cut on a piece of wood, but you can do so many more things with them. You can cut plexiglass, ceramic, and metal as well. For example, the Bosch Speed for Metal blade does a great job of combining quality of cut with high speed. Bosch produces more Jigsaw blades than any other manufacturer in the world, more than 6 billion to date. Bosch also helps you match the blade to the job. You want a blend between quality of cut and speed of cut. My favorite application is to cut a gradual curve on a tabletop. I use a Bosch Extra Clean blade to provide that clean, smooth, splinter-free cut, but with the control I need to stick to any line. Remember, better accessories mean better results. Look for the widest variety of high-quality Jigsaw blades from Bosch.